All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. Once again, welcome to our Opulence Global Tour. Welcome po sa lahat ng ating mga partners joining us in different parts of the world, and especially to our valued guest for today. Nako, thank you so much for taking the time. I know you have a very busy schedule. Probably you just got home or probably you're having dinner. But nonetheless, thank you so much for tuning in dito sa ating presentation, but we're going to assure you that we're going to make it worthwhile because we're going to share with you important information. We're going to share with you something that can be of value to you, no? Especially when it comes to your health, especially when it comes to how you can live your opulent life, because after all, that is our vision here in Opulence Global. Our vision is a world where aging and illness are no longer accepted as normal but rather preventable. So yan ho yung nais natin, no, sa lahat ng ating mga tagapakinig, na maintindihan ho natin na ang sakit hindi dapat normal yan. No? We are meant to live a strong, healthy life, at yung mga sakit-sakit ho na yan, kaya nating iwasan. Yan ho yung vision natin. And on top of that, we strive to make opulent living accessible to all. When we say opulent living, it simply means the best of the best, living your best life. Abundance in wealth, no? Sino ho bang may gusto niyan? Of course, all of us would want that. And that's what opulence stands for, the best of the best, and sharing with you information how you can live an abundant life. And this abundant life, opulent living, is not just for the elite, ha? Baka sabi niyo sa mga mayayaman lang yan. No, but we actually give you an equal opportunity for everyone to achieve generational wealth and personal empowerment. So as we say, if you have the will, opulence has the way to transform your life and create a lasting impact. Now, who among you here would want to experience, of course, itong mga opulent living like family vacation, exotic adventures, financial freedom, personal development, of course, healthy living, gusto natin yan. And on top of that, yung prestigious lifestyle. Well, what if, no? What if you can have it all? Yan ang tanong namin sa inyo, no? So the good news is we have an opportunity that can allow you not to access all of these things. Now, first and foremost, let me introduce our company. Ito hong tinatawag nating Opulence Global, which is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So basically, we are now celebrating our 20 years. No? So ibig sabihin, meron na tayong proven track record. Subok na ho, matatag yung ating company, and we do transactions in more than 200 countries and territories. Yan ho yung maganda dito. No? So global ho yung ating scope. On top of that, we have an accreditation sa Better Business Bureau. Now, this is very important because this confirms that the company is legitimate. So nasuri na ho yan ng isa sa mga pinaka-credible na organization at nakuha pa natin yung pinakamataas na A+ rating. So ibig sabihin, very trustworthy, very legitimate ang company, and that's the reason why for since 2010, no, we are named among the top 100 solid company by businessforhome.org. So what we have here is a credible company na may proven track record, and one of the reasons why this company has grown into a multi-million-dollar business is because of our leadership, no? Yung ating founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. So pag tiningnan ho natin yung kanyang credentials, makikita ho natin talaga na meron siyang malawak na karanasan sa pagpapalago at pagpapalaki ng iba't ibang klaseng negosyo. As a matter of fact, he was able to build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses. So hindi ho natin matatawaran yung kanyang kaalaman at karanasan sa pagpapalago ng mga negosyo. Kaya at the age of 25, naging self-made millionaire na ho siya, at marami na ho siya mga taong natulungan na umangat din ang antas ng kanilang pamumuhay. And on top of that, we were even featured in American Business Journal, no? Itong ating CEO. He is known to be the top 2 compensation plan expert, a Network Marketing Hall of Fame inductee, at author ho siya ng Forensic Networker, which is the direct sales most advanced training system. And on top of that, he has the mindset of a champion, mainly because ito hong ating CEO, hindi ho basta-basta yan. Meron ho siyang more than 112 medals as a Canadian wrestling champion. So nakikita ho natin yung kanyang attitude, no? Yung kanyang mindset na hindi siya nagpapatalo. No wonder he was able to build multiple billion-dollar businesses. Now, one of the things that we are truly proud of is because of our affiliation with these massive industries. So we are involved in fashion, which is a $1 trillion industry. We are also involved in personal care and wellness, another $1 trillion industry. And of course, the business opportunity that we offer, particularly itong ating e-commerce platform, is worth $9.2 trillion. So when we combine all of these products, no, imagine niyo ha, it's a combined 15.9 trillion. So when you become a part of these massive industries, imagine magkano ba yung gusto niyo maging share dyan sa 15, almost $16 trillion industry na yan. Okay? So just to give you a little bit of a history and a background, Opulence Global started out with the fashion products, no? Our fashion heritage, actually yung ating Ferry Designer House is the largest Canadian private fashion house. And hindi ho basta-basta yung ating mga products because our products are exclusively designed from our Toronto and European design centers. Very prestigious yung quality. Imaginein mo, even worn by more than 350 celebrity clients all around the world. Yung mga celebrities na yan, hindi yan papayag na basta-basta lang yung kanilang suot, ano? And yung Ferry on the Runway, which is the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer, and we also have numerous global media accolades, we were even featured sa mga prestigious shows such as the Fox 5, The View, yung International Emmy Awards, Toronto International Film Festival, and the Golden Globe Awards. Now, more to that, ito hong ating Ferry on the Runway. Ayan, so nakita ho natin, no? Marami hong mga celebrities ang tumangkilik nitong ating mga fashion items na yan. So makikita ho natin yan, just a simple collage of all these celebrities, no? Hindi lang mga local but international celebrities, no? And this will show you at least an overview of what the fashion products are. This is actually an excerpt ng ating Ferry on the Runway. So we want to show you this video so that at least you can have an idea how prestigious, how luxurious itong ating mga fashion items. So let's watch this video. So yan, so we have mga exclusive jewelries. Yan yung ating mga Ferry designs. Yan. So this was during the Ferry Fashion Runway. Yan. We also have mga timepieces. Naku, mga magagandang mga items yan. Mga Ferry collection when it comes to our timepieces. Mga Swiss-inspired. We also have our footwear. Ayan. Naku, ang gaganda ho ng ating mga shoes for men and women. Ayan. And then pag tiningnan ho natin, handcrafted ho yung ating mga shoes na yan, no? So talagang handmade ho siya. So hindi siya machine-made. So talagang carefully crafted. And of course, the materials that we use, lalong-lalo na yung mga pang-soles ho niyan is mga Napa leather. Okay? We also have our monogram collection. So when we say monogram collection, ito ho yung ating branding, no? Yung ating Ferry branding, which includes from, of course, yung mga terno na shoes, terno na bags, mga luggages. Yan. So ito yung mga luxurious items natin, leather goods. By the way, yung ating mga bags ho, no? Particularly, napabilang ho tayo as one of the top brands, no? Particularly when it comes to this bags. Yan. Alright, so yan, iba-iba ho yan. May mga shields din ho tayo, yung mga eyewear. And so, basically, we have all of these fashion items. And our brand is Posh, no? Unang-una yung mga Posh, yung mga more affordable products, and of course, our luxurious items. Yung tinatawag ho nating mga Ferry items, accessories, jewelries, bags. Yan. Alright. Alright, so that's our tagline, get paid to wear. Alam niyo naman yung mga fashion items, no? Hindi na kailangang tanungin ano ba yung product na yan, no? So the moment that they see it, just like the watch that I'm wearing right now, pag nakita nila yan, nagandahan sila, then yun, madali na nilang i-avail, no? Pwede na silang bumili kaagad. So that's one of our product lines. And also, we are etong ating, I just want to emphasize on this one, yung Ferry Moss, which is considered by Canadian Jeweler Magazine, isa sa mga prestigious magazine yan sa North America. It's an imaginable ultra-luxury jewelry collection. So, very seldom na makakakita ho tayo ng 19K at 21K gold. So, yan ho yung isa sa mga highlights and features ng ating Ferry Moss ring. And of course, makikita nyo ho yan, 19K or 21K and Ferry Moss to guarantee its authenticity and quality. Alright, so that's among our product lines when it comes to fashion. Now, pakita lang ho natin a quick excerpt of this Ferry Moss ring na talaga naman hong napaka-luxurious and prestigious. Okay, so let's watch this video once again.
Our Ferry Moss designs are modern, glamorous, stylish. Really what we do is create the most beautiful products by combining the rich culture of the East and the contemporary style of the West to be able to create the most exclusive designs. The Fairy Mosh Exquisite 19 and 21 karat collection is beauty in its purest form.
Alright, yan yung little excerpt no, ng tinatawag ho nating ating Fairy Mosh Ring, an unimaginable jewelry collection. And of course, another advocacy that we have is what we call the Safe Home Revolution. So pag sinabi ho nating safe home, it means ligtas na tahanan. At yan ho yung aming battle cry, yan ho yung aming advocacy. That's what we want to share with you as well dito sa ating call. No? And of course, ang Safe Home Revolution means that we want to protect you and your loved ones by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. Because nowadays, no, na-expose na ho tayo sa iba't ibang mga toxins, pollutants na nakakasira ho sa ating kalusugan. From the food that we eat, no, ang dami nating mga pagkain na punong-puno ng mga preservatives, additives, flavoring, seasonings at kung ano-ano pang mga chemicals na lumalason sa ating kalusugan. From the air that we breathe, no, yung hangin ho natin ngayon, nako, contaminated na ho yan. And then on top of that, the water that we drink. Ngayon hindi na tayo nakakainom ng mga galing mismo sa faucet, ano? We have to purify it, we have to treat it. Ganyan na ho kumbaga ka-affected or ka-impacted yung ating environment. And yun ho yung nangyayari. Tayo ho naapektuhan dyan because every time you're exposed to these things na hindi natin pwedeng iwasan yan, air, water, and food, hindi tayo mabubuhay ng wala yan, yun nga, contaminated na, so we have no choice but to be exposed to all of these things. Now, this is what the Safe Home Revolution is all about. We want to fight yung mga damages na yan, yung mga pollutants na yan, by sharing with you itong mga unique property ingredients, no, active ingredients na makikita ho natin sa ating product. Microsilver, what it does is it cleanses yung mga microbes, germs, bacteria, and even viruses. And then the Norwegian Spruce Tree Extract is a powerful antioxidant naman ho yan na lumalaban sa mga free radicals. Now, all of this, itong mga products ho natin that you can see on your screen right now, this contains itong ating two unique ingredients na yan from our beauty. So yung mga gustong bumata ang itsura, yung microsilver protection, of course, para malabanan ho natin yung mga microbes, germs, bacteria, and viruses. And then on top of that, personal care. Ito hong ating body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It contains mga powerful active ingredients to protect the outside part of our body. And on top of that, of course, yung ating health and wellness. Siyempre, mahalaga ho na pangalagaan natin ang loob ng ating katawan. And mind you, ito hong ating mga products is hindi ho basta-basta yan. The quality that we produce when it comes to our product are of top caliber, top quality. Manufactured in GMP certified facility. So ibig sabihin, maayos ho yung sistema sa pagmamanufacture ng product. Made in Canada, vegan, na tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free. And most of our products are tested by dermatologists. It cleanses microbes and it protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. Now, one of the product that we have, no, particularly ito ho yung ating one of our best-seller product, or if not the best-seller that we have with over 1 million bottles sold, is itong tinatawag ho nating Fountain of Life. With, of course, it is a high-performance antioxidant to protect and preserve your health. So ito ho yung extract na nanggagaling ho sa Norwegian Spruce Tree. Nakita ho natin yung ingredient kanina. And a little bit of a background dito sa puno ho na ito. Ito hong puno na ito para siyang Christmas tree, para siyang pine tree. Itong pinagkukuha na natin is sa Northern Finland. At yung puno ho na to, imagine, can live up to hundreds or even thousands of years. And as a matter of fact, this tree, no, ang pinakamatanda ho na documented ng Norwegian Spruce Tree is 9,550 years old. So ganyan ho katibay, ganyan ho katatag yung puno na yan. And the reason for that is it contains a certain property, yung lignans, yung puno ho na yan, which we call lignans. So have you heard about lignans, di ba? So lignans is a type of plant antioxidants na nagpapatibay, lumalaban ho sa mga free radicals, nagpapatibay sa ating mga cells at lumalaban sa mga free radicals. So it's a high-performance antioxidant to protect and preserve your well-being. And this is exactly the reason kung bakit ako napabilang dito dahil nakita ko yung efficacy, nakita ko yung potency. Imagine, yung 10 drops lang ho nitong ating Fountain of Life. 10 patak lang ng ating Fountain of Life. Equivalent ho yan sa antioxidants or lignans na makukuha nyo from eating 1,800 cups of apple. Imagine niyo ha, yung 10 patak lang. So, madami hong ginagawa yan no, sa ating katawan. Unang-una, it protects heart health, it lowers chronic inflammation, defend against dementia, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improve hair health, improve sugar metabolism, and protects DNA. So, pinoproteksyonan yung ating DNA na napakahalaga ho niyan against cancer prevention. And then on top of that, it improves metabolism, it lowers body weight, and it reduces hot flashes. So actually, marami pa ho yung mga benefits na yan because ang essence ho nitong ating lignans or ng ating plant antioxidant na nakukuha sa Norwegian spruce tree, ito ho yung nagpoprotekta sa ating mga cells ho natin. And of course, when our cells are healthy, it also produces healthy tissues and healthy body systems. So when our body systems are functioning properly, then yung katawan nyo ho, may kakayanan ho yan labanan halos lahat ng sakit. Ang katawan ho natin, kaya niya pagalingin yung sarili niya. So that's the key element there ha. Yung katawan ho natin ang siyang gumagamot sa sarili niya. And how do we do that? By nourishing ourselves with what it needs, protecting ourselves against the damaging effects of free radicals. And what we have here is, ako so far ha, I haven't seen any higher level of antioxidants when it comes to the antioxidants coming from the Norwegian spruce tree. And that's what we have dito sa ating Fountain of Life. Okay? Now, another product that we have is what we call the Divine. Ito, ang Divine na to nakakatuwa din dahil hindi lang siya isang active ingredient but it contains 6 active ingredients. Na itong 6 powerful active ingredients ho na yan, pag pumunta kayo sa mga health shops, pag binili nyo ho yan, individual, no? So instead of taking 6 different products or 6 different capsules, you will only take 1 capsule known as a Divine and it contains these 6 powerful active ingredients such as the maritime pine bark extract, and then yung glutathione which is known to be the master antioxidant, yung grapeseed extract, siguro naririnig nyo na ho yan, zinc, no? Vitamin C and vitamin D. So imagine niyo if you're taking this together with the Fountain of Life, the highest level of antioxidant, and then you're taking the 6 active powerful ingredients, then imagine what it can do no sa protection ng ating katawan, sa nourishment ng ating katawan. So all in all, this Divine is a supplement that supports no particularly yung ating immune system. And it also fights against the damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. Now, some of the benefits that you can get from taking this Divine is it maintains and regulate yung ating immune system. So especially ho sa panahon natin, kadalasan ho yung iba't ibang mga sakit na nararanasan natin, it's mainly because bumabagsak or bumababa ho yung ating immunity, yung ating immune system. Pero on the contrary, kapag ko ang ating immune system is working properly, and I've said earlier, hindi ho tayo basta tinatablan ng mga iba't ibang klaseng sakit. Okay? It also supports liver and cell detoxification. It promotes gut health. Yan, napakahalaga ho niyan ha, yung gut health ho natin. It supports respiratory function. It aids in vision maintenance, promotes diabetic health. It improves the absorption of other antioxidants, supports collagen formation. Ang ganda ng topic namin kanina, no? Collagen pala is very important in the elasticity and the youthfulness of our skin, no? So nakakatulong ho siya no para ma-enjoy ho natin yung pain-free and youthful life. Ayan, okay? And it improves erectile dysfunction, especially sa mga kalalakihan. Because one of the features of this product is it improves yung blood circulation. It also boosts brain function and memory. Now, ito yung gusto ko rin dito kasi as we age, naapektuhan ho yung ating memory, yung ating brain functioning. So what if we can have that, kumbaga, booster no, sa ating brain and function memory? Okay? And then, of course, it improves the skin and also it benefits heart health. So these are just some of the benefits. So actually, we have a different product training for this. But ang maganda ho dito is, again, this product is created and manufactured with extensive research and development. And of course, maganda ho itong naidudulot nito sa ating kalusugan. Okay? So if you want to know more about the different testimonials when it comes to our product, you can visit our Facebook page, Fountain of Life and Divine-Official. You can even scan the QR code para makita nyo ho itong ating mga products that are available sa ating online shop. Okay? So by the way, we have this products again from fashion, beauty, personal care, health and wellness. So thousands of products that you can choose from sa ating online shop. Now we encourage na especially those people who are new here, you try the product first. See it for yourself. Because after all, one of our advocacy is to promote health and wellness. Bakit ho? Kasi yung health and wellness, yung ating kalusugan, nag-iisa lang yan. 'Di ba? Wag ho nating antayin na magkasakit muna tayo bago tayo gumawa ng aksyon. Remember, pag wala ho tayong magandang kalusugan, wala din ho tayong magandang kabuhayan. Pag wala ho tayong magandang kalusugan, wala ho tayong may enjoy na quality life together with our loved ones. So, kailangan ho talaga natin, especially sa panahon ho ngayon, na investan yung ating kalusugan. Sabi mo, Rico, wala pa naman ako nararamdaman. Malakas pa ako. Well, this is the best time for you to sustain that, no? The more that you need to take care of your body when you're still strong. Because yan ho, pagka nasira, yan, hindi katulad ng sasakyan. Pagka may nasirang organ, punta ka sa sa auto supply, paltan mo lang yung pyesa, bago na ulit, di ba? Ang ating katawan ho, hindi. No? Pag may nasira dyan, any part of it, especially yung heart ho natin, it can never be restored back to its original state. So again, we only have one body. We have to take care of it more than anything else. And how do we take care of that? By investing in things that nourishes and protects. No? Especially nung nalaman ko itong Fountain of Life. Biruin nyo, sabi sa isang research, no, when you're taking lignans every day, it reduces the risk of heart disease by 65%. At yun ho yung tumatak sa isip ko, no? Imagine niyo, nababawasan yung risk ng pagkakaroon ng sakit sa puso, na tridor na sakit. And actually, we have a lot of testimonials when it comes to this one. So, I would encourage you, scan this QR code and see it for yourself, no? Now, let's move on to our next topic for those of you who would want to know saan ba nabibili yan. Okay, so first and foremost, hindi ko siya available sa mga retail outlets. So this is only available exclusively sa ating mga online shops. Okay, sa ating mga partners, sa ating online platform, which is even better kasi kahit nasa ang lugar ka, kahit saang parte ng mundo ka, you can basically purchase and avail of these products. No, kung nasa US ka, Africa, Australia, Asia, kahit saang lugar ka, all you have to do is to go to our online shop, purchase your order, okay, and then it can be delivered right to your doorstep. Now, that's the first thing that we would encourage you to do. Before we go to the next phase, which is basically because ang maganda rin ho dito, meron tayong magandang business opportunity behind this unique and phenomenal products, okay? So, ang unang-una nyo hong gagawin is use the product. Be a product of your own product. Okay, para at least yung conviction nyo, yung passion nyo sa pag-share ng product nang gagaling ho talaga sa sarili nyong experience. So all you have to do is to share it, di ba? Hindi tayo nagsi-sales talk, hindi tayo nang bobola. Dahil ang pinanggagalingan ho ng ating mga kwento at storya ay base ho sa sarili nating paniniwala at sarili nating karanasan. Now, what about this? What if you can get paid to shop, get paid to consume, and get paid to recommend? So every time you share your story about how you benefited, every time you share the story of other people who benefited from using the product, nakatulong ka na sa kapwa mo in terms of kalusugan and kabuhayan, but at the same time, nagkakaroon ka ng magandang balik sa income. Okay? So I would be upfront with you. Ito ho yung kabuhayan namin. And we're not ashamed of it. Why? Because our main mission, even before we do the money making, is we want to educate, inform, and provide solutions sa mga tao on how they can live a healthier life. All right? And everyone wants to live a healthier life. All right? So yun ho yung maganda dito. But what if you can get paid to recommend? Okay? So ito ho yung tinatawag ho naming stay-at-home economy because nowadays, iba-iba, ano na ho yung takbo ng buhay natin ngayon, lahat naka-work from home na, lahat naka-online na, pag nag-o-order kayo ng mga groceries nyo, yung mga shopping list ninyo, online na, Lazada, di ba, Shopee, yung mga anak ko natin, ngayon, yung anak ko actually, naka-hybrid pa siya, di ba, may online, may face-to-face, entertainment natin, yung mga Netflix, yung mga Prime TV, yung mga Apple TV, di ba? So nowadays, usong-uso na ho yung tinatawag nating stay-at-home economy. People are looking for mga convenient ways, no, to have their products delivered at the comfort of their own home. Now, ang maganda rin ho dito, no, especially right now, actually hindi ho siya maganda, no? Many people are affected by what's happening in the marketplace right now. So marami ho na sabi nga yung AI no is very threatening especially sa mga nagtatrabaho dahil eventually pagdating daw ho ng panahon millions and millions of people will be losing their jobs. Why? Because itong tinatawag nating AI technology. Pinapasimple niya ho yung trabaho ng ginagawa ng mga tao. Okay? So on top of that pati yung inflation, yung patuloy na pagbaba ng halaga ng pera. On top of that, people are seeking to supplement their income. So especially ho sa US, hindi na ho enough yung iisa lang yung trabaho nila. As a matter of fact, nearly 39% of all Americans report having a side job. So ibig sabihin, kulang na yung kinikita nila base dun sa pangangailangan nila sa panggastos ho nila. Okay? So anong solution natin dyan? So meron sabi nila, ang gagawin nila is of course, maghanap tayo ng isa pang trabaho. Nako, pagka ganyan ho, lalo kayo mapapagod, no? Ito hong ino-offer natin sa Opulence Global is a company wherein yung pagsisimula nyo ng negosyo, yung infrastructure is already ready-made. Tawag ho namin dyan turnkey. So when you get started with the business, it is made simple because the infrastructure such as the inventory, yung products, hindi mo na problema. Yung payment system, hindi mo na problema. Yung shipping in more than 200 countries, hindi mo na rin problema. Guarantees and returns, website and maintenance, training and support, all the things that you need to get started in a business has already been provided by Opulence Global. So kumbaga meron ng infrastructure, all you have to do is to jump into that infrastructure. Kumbaga sa kotse, sasakyan mo na lang, ready to drive ka na. So hindi na ikaw yung mag-assemble pa ng iba't ibang parte ng sasakyan na yun. So that's what Opulence does. We provide you an opportunity, a platform wherein you can get started with the business immediately. Now, tayo, ang tawag na sa atin mga e-mall partners because we will be operating our own e-commerce platform, yung ating online shop. All we have to do is to use the product and keep on sharing the benefits of the product. Okay? So, ganun lang ho kasimple. Hindi na natin problema kung paano ginagawa yung product. All you have to do is to keep on sharing it, no? Finding people who will be able to be helped with the products and who will be helped with the opportunity. Now, here's a preview no, of what people have experienced when it comes to the opportunity that we have here in Opulence Global. So again, up your volume and let's watch this video.
This industry is one of the most powerful industries that will touch people's lives. It gives you passion, love, commitment, relationships, travel, money, wealth, success, everything that you can desire.
I think our biggest attributes above all is our culture. It's of one nation, we have a slogan, one team, one dream, to the billion.
You don't have to have experience. It doesn't matter what's your background, your ethnicity, or even your scholarship. In reality, it is a pathway to success that is designed as a system to be able to duplicate.
We're in Beverly Hills at Montage Hotel. It's the Emmy Luxury Lounge, of course, presented by Ferry.
I had to find something that I could do part-time that had massive income potential.
The main reason why I'm part of Opulence Global is because of my son. I wanted to spend more time with him. I wanted to take him to school, pick him up from school, take him to the soccer game, but I definitely couldn't do that with my previous job.
I would tell the person, right, if I can do it, you can do it too. All you need to do is follow the system and be coachable.
I was looking for an opportunity that I can actually be able to work or expand my business beyond the borders of my own country without traveling.
Started doing this full-time since January 1st, 2009. And my 10th month, I hit $27,000. 27 months, my first million. I've made several $1 million since.
What I achieve in this industry is the personal growth.
The one thing that I heard about this business that really appealed to me was that you can out-earn the people above you. You know, that really really stuck to me because in the corporate world, you don't out-earn your manager, right?
We have a proven track record system. All you have to do is learn how to use it. We have the best training, we have the tools, 24-hour support.
I think MLM is the most important method of distribution. It's the last chance of the average person to do something extraordinary. I think it's absolutely important that such an amazing industry would have proper training. And the Forensic Networker simplifies things down to some basic business principles that's currently missing in the MLM training sessions.
So the vision of the company is not just the expansion of our business, but the growth of the people within the company.
If I have to sum it up all in one word for Opulence Global, it would be freedom.
The freedom.
Time freedom.
Freedom.
Total freedom.
The one.
Is revolutionary.
It really just has changed my life.
Opulence is an opportunity of a lifetime.
You guys are next. I don't know which country you're watching this. 204 countries and territories that we ship to. You guys are next.
Ayun, no? So if you have the will, we have the way. That's our tagline here in Opulence Global, and this is what we offer. And probably you can see, no, different people from different walks of life, from different nations, di ba? So this is a global business. Yun ho yung maganda dito. Once you get started here in the Philippines, your business is actually open in different parts of the world immediately. Yun ho yung maganda. Hindi mo kailangan na mag-set up ng branch sa ibang bansa. Eh, alam nyo naman, pag nag-set up nga kayo dito sa Pilipinas lang, it would cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars, di ba? Oh, so, and pesos pala, no? Millions, no? And even lalo na sa ibang bansa. Pero in here, you can get started with a minimal capital but eventually build a global expansive business in more than 200 countries and territories. So you can be the next one. Sabi nga ng ating CEO, no? So how do you get started with this? Yan ho yung pag-uusapan na tatalakayin ho natin. But I just want to share with you, no? With our Opulence e-mall, makakapag-may-ari ka na ng isang online shop. May sarili ka ng website. May sarili ka ng e-commerce platform. And by the way, yung e-commerce platform that you can gain access to is a $3 million software. So hindi ito basta-basta lang na website na pwede ka lang magbenta. No, we also do drop shipping. So the moment that someone purchases in your own e-mall, we can have these products delivered right through your doorstep. Hindi nyo naiintindihin pa kung paano nyo ipapadala yan sa mga customer nyo sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. So with this e-mall, you can earn and save money on every transaction. Once you launch your e-mall, pwede ka nang mag-shopping at a discounted price, nakakamenos ka na every time you buy and use these products. Now, on top of that, when you recommend itong ating mga products to other people, you can sell these products, promote it on your e-malls worldwide, and you can make money by sharing the benefits of your products. Now, on top of that, we also encourage you, not na magkaroon din kayo ng mga business partners, and with the business partners that you have, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, but in different parts of the world, you can have a share in the global opportunity to build a residual income. Yun ho yung sinasabi kanina doon sa video na time and financial freedom. Dadating yung panahon, you give this, let's say, 5 years or even 10 years of building and growing your business. And then after that, your business can be on autopilot. Pag sinabi ho nating autopilot, people are continuing to buy your products, your partners are continuing to do their business, and your business naturally grows. Yun ho yung maganda doon. Miski nagbabakasyon ka, miski natutulog ka, yung mga partners mo are continuing to do their business. Every time your partners are doing their business, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy tumatakbo yung negosyo mo. So that's what the e-mall does. That was this opportunity of Opulence Global offers to you. No? So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. With your e-mall, marami ka na hong magagawa sa business mo. No? It's a global e-commerce website wherein we do the order processing, yung payment system. Of course, yung business training and support is also provided. Natatrack mo yung performance ng negosyo mo. No? Live ho yung mga nakikita yung purchases. Paggising mo sa umaga, oy, may bumili sa akin from the US, may bumili sa akin from Africa, from Australia, from Europe. Ay, ang sarap po ng pakiramdam. At the comfort of your own home, you can build a global expansive business. Okay? Now, ang maganda ho dito is that Opulence Infinity Compensation Plan is your gateway to opulent lifestyle. So basically, we have different multiple streams of income that you can enjoy. Mamili na ho kayo kung saan nyo gusto mag-focus. But I would just like to share with you some of them. One of them is what we call retail profit. So with the retail profit, ibig sabihin, makukuha nyo yung product at a discounted price. You sell it at the retail price at maganda ho yung ating retail profit dito. Alam nyo ho ba sa isang bote ng FOL, you can earn as much as more than actually 1,600 pesos per bottle. So imagine niyo na lang, no, pagka halimbawa naka 100 bottles na kayo, let's say in 6 months time. So 100 bottles nyo, meron kayong 160,000 pesos. Imagine that, no? So instant high retail profits, hindi lang ho yan sa Fountain of Life, but all the products that you have in your e-mall, you can earn up to 37% retail profit. Now, on top of that, when someone buys to you in bulk, no, kapag marami ho yung binili nila, yung wholesale packages natin, you get to earn also yung tinatawag nating wholesale profit up to 350 Canadian dollars. So by the way, pumapasok sa e-mall ho ninyo are Canadian dollars, meaning nasa Pilipinas kayo pero hindi nyo kailangan na mag-abroad para kumita kayo ng dollars. So doon pa lang, alam niyo naman ang conversion ng mga dollars so ngayon mas mataas, di ba? So yun ho yung maganda dito, you can earn dollars while working from home here in the Philippines. And you can basically have business partners in different parts of the world. Wala hong limit yan. So every time someone launches their business, kumuha sila ng wholesale packages, that's up to $350. So imagine if you have 10 business partners na nag-launch ng online shops nila. So that's $3,500, di ba? Magkano yun? $3,500 is more or less nasa 140,000 pesos. So that's an additional stream of income for you. Now, here's the most exciting part. Ito yung tinatawag nating lifelong residual income wherein hindi lang kayo mag-earn sa sarili nyong online shop. But whenever someone decides to also launch their business, naging business partner nyo sila, lahat na magiging sales ng mga business partners mo, you also earn mga bonuses and commissions out of their personal sales. Imagine niyo yun. So, hindi lang kayo kumikita sa sarili nyong online shop, but you get to earn bonuses and commissions out of the sales of your partners through Infinity. Pag sinabi ho nating Infinity, even yung partners nyo na hindi nyo nakakilala, every sale that they make, every email that they launch, every product purchase na gagawin ho nila are credited to you as commissionable volume. So when we compute yung commissionable volume in your entire organization, you can earn up to $60,000 per week. Dito na ho natin ini-employ yung tinatawag nating power of leveraging. Power of leveraging means na hindi lang yung income mo hindi lang nanggagaling sa personal effort mo. But your income is also coming from the people that you have helped grow their business as well. And by the way, yung mga magiging partners mo, mai-enjoy din nila yung benefits na mai-enjoy mo. So just imagine, nakita nyo natin kanina yung isa sa mga top income earner natin, si Mr. Rene Liao, no? His business is now present in more than 130 countries and his business has grown to multiple income streams na no? So imagine niyo yung gaano nakalaki yung organization niya in those 130 countries. Hindi niya na alam kung sino yung mga partners and customers niya in those different parts of the world, and yet yun ho yung nakikredit sa kanya each and every single month. Okay? So yun ho yung kagandahan nitong ating negosyo. No? And we also have a program here known as the Smart Buy, wherein every month, whenever you purchase products, meron ho kayong additional benefits na natatanggap, such as additional 10% discount sa lahat ng products. No? So yun ho yung maganda dyan. And as this becomes a culture in your organization, now dito ho nabubuo yung tinatawag nating residual income. Now on top of that, we also have our weekly and monthly commissions, such as the MGRS. Ito ho yung profit sharing natin. Another stream of income, the variance bonus of up to $50,000 a month. And the commission boost, another way to make money up to $5,000 per week. So you can have one income stream on top of the other. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. But we're only doing one simple business. Ano ho yung ginagawa natin? We're just sharing the benefits of the product and we're helping other people start and grow their businesses as well. And that's the thing that we do. And with that, you can basically earn 13 to 14 ways of making money in this business. On top of that, meron pa ho tayong ibang mga perks and privileges such as the Opulence Club, wherein there is a 6-tier car club and vacation bonus. No? So ibig sabihin, the company can even pay for your own car and the company can even pay for your own vacation. So marami pa hong perks and privileges yan that you can enjoy. So how do you get started? No? Ito ho yung maganda dito. Meron ho tayong, ito yung pinaka-profitable package natin which we call the Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience, wherein marami na ho kayong products na pwedeng pagpilian. Okay? So paano ho ba yung LADE na yan? Yung LADE ho na yan, okay? Ang value ho niya ngayon pala nasa 175,000 na ho yan. Okay, 174, sorry. 174,000. Hindi ko lang na-update tong ating slide. But ang value that you can get from here is around nasa mga almost 500,000 na. Imagine niyo ha. So imagine niyo sa 175,000 nyo, meron kayong value worth for almost 500,000. So ibig sabihin, balik na yung puhunan mo and then you get to earn more than 250,000 pesos dun sa products mo. So mga more than 150% na ROI ho yan pag tiningnan nyo ho. No? So that's the reason why ito yung tinatawag namin pinaka most profitable product because you can choose from a wide variety of products, instant shopping kaagad yan, and once you move the products, balik puhunan and pinakamalaking return on investment. Okay? Tapos makakatanggap ka pa dyan ng free watch. Yan ho yung maganda dito. Yung hindi lang watch to ha, opulent gift. It is a luxury timepiece na ang pinakamababahong halaga dyan is nasa mga 57,000. No? So imagine mo, no? Talagang you're living your opulent life and people see these luxury watches and sasabihin mo lang, well, I got this for free sa aking sariling e-mall. Wow! Diba? So people will be drawn to it, no? Now, ito yung iba't ibang mga packages natin that you can choose from, no? You can start at 13,000. So imagine mo a business, global, dropshipping, all of the products included for as low as 13,000 pesos, you can get started with that. So to get started with mga ganitong klaseng negosyo, hindi na ho bababayan ng hundreds of thousand pesos na investment. But for as low as 13,000, you get access to this e-commerce platform. You have products with you that you can get started. Pag nag-reorder ka, 20%. Pagdating naman ho dito sa isang package natin, Lifestyle Advisor, syempre mas malaki yung capital mo dito. Pero maganda ho dyan, mas marami ho siyang benefits. Higher product discount, 30%, up to 30%. And on top of this, maka-enjoy mo na yung 13 ways of making money, no? Now, on top of that, meron din tayong tinatawag na Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Okay? So dito, mas marami yung products na pwede mong matanggap. And by the way, dito ho sa ating mga packages, wala kayong talo, wala kayong lugi because the moment that you invest in this package, kasama na yung e-commerce platform yun na hindi na natin sinama kung inuwenta sa tuos yan, but yung products pa lang na makukuha mo, no, is even more than what you have invested. Like for instance, dito sa Lifestyle Advisor Plus, pwede kang kumita kaagad dyan ng more or less sa mga 32,000 pesos. So balik puhunan, move mo lahat ng products mo, may kita ka na 32,000 pesos. And then of course, ito yung ating LADE, mas malaki yan, more than 250,000 pesos in profits ang pwede mong ma-enjoy yan. Doon pa lang sa package mo. Pero maganda ho dyan, once you get started with either LAP, or LADE, then you get access to the 13 to 14 ways of making money. So I would encourage you because this is the best time, no, for you to get started with the business for the past 20 years. Yung first 10 years ho natin is building phase. So dito ho natin sinimulan na mag-conceptualize sa mga products, i-offer sa market, naka-receive na ho kami ng magandang feedback, iba't ibang tao na ho natulungan when it comes to our product. The next 10 years, we're into our branding phase, innovation, we adapted to the different nangyayari sa ating economy, sa ating environment. So patuloy ho lumalago. We have grown this business into a multi-million-dollar business and now for the next 10 years, no, 2025 and beyond, yun ho yung maganda dito, momentum phase. With all of this exciting product lineup, with the infrastructure that we have and the innovation that we have, we're now gearing up and moving up. No, we're targeting within the next 10 years to become a billion-dollar company. When we say billion-dollar company, ito ho ibig sabihin yan. Whenever we reach the billion-dollar sales, 60 to 70% of that, ang nakikinabang ho niyan is yung ating mga partners. So that 600 to 700 million dollars up for the taking, no, para sa ating mga partners. The question is, where will you be during that time? How much share would you like to have during that time? If you want to get started now, within the next 5 to 10 years, I tell you, this can be a very profitable, viable venture for you. And you can get started immediately right now by launching your online shop. Okay? So meron din tayong tinatawag na Opulence Cares. Ito ho yung isa sa mga advocacy din ng ating company wherein some of the profits that we generate, we also give it no sa mga charitable institutions. Okay? So through the Opulence Care program, we have donated many charities, causes, and disaster relief funds over the past decades. So imagine getting into a business where you can be a part no of a life change, sa lalong-lalo na sa ating mga less fortunate na mga kapwa, no, mga kababayan. Okay? So anyway, yan ho yung ating meron pa tayo yung Dubai, no? So yun ho yung maganda dito. Who wants to go to Dubai next year, 2026, to celebrate our 20th year anniversary? So we have details in our posters. You can check them out, or sa mga bago ho dito, get back to the person na nag-invite ho sa inyo if you want to participate, no? Eto, magkaroon din kayo ng travel fund going to Dubai and celebrate with us on our 20th anniversary celebration. Okay? So that's about it. Diyan na ho tayo nagtatapos sa ating presentation. I do hope that you gained something out of this. And if you have any questions now when it comes to what we have just shared with you, I would encourage you, ask your questions now, or better yet, no, get back to the person who invited you here and ask your questions on how you can get started. But in summary, on all of these things that we have shared with you, one, first and foremost, napakahalaga ho ng healthy living. Healthy living is the first step para ma-achieve nyo ho yung tagumpay sa buhay ho ninyo. You cannot be truly successful if you do not have or possess yung tinatawag ho nating good health. Okay? Because all of those, income, all of those achievements doesn't mean anything if you are not to enjoy it with your good health. No? So that's the first thing that we encourage you to do. First and foremost, use the products. Be a product of the product. Invest in your health. And on top of that, yun hong conviction ninyo while you are using the product, magmamanifest ho yan. Makikita ho yan ng mga taong kinakausap nyo. How energetic you are, how passionate you are, and how healthy you are. So when they see the belief in you, people will believe you. Diba? So it's contagious, no? Nahahawa mo sila dun sa conviction mo, dun sa belief mo, dun sa excitement mo. Because you believe in the product. Wag ho kayo magsisimula dito nang hindi nyo pa ginagamit yung product. Kasi maglolokohan lang ho tayo dito. No? This business is all about credibility and integrity. So first and foremost, use the product, see it for yourself. So that's the first thing. Second thing, the opportunity. Once and for all, solusyonan na ho natin yung mga problemang kaperahan. Because a lot of our problems right now also stems from the lack of funds, di ba? Kaya tayo tinatawag natin cancer sa bulsa. Kaya tayo nai-stress. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang mga problema sa buhay ho natin. Kaya nagsasuffer yung ating kalusugan. It's because of these worries and concerns that we have over money. Now, we have an opportunity that will allow you to build on it. Okay? And imagine if you're willing to make the change. Imagine if you will decide right now, I will build a business that will allow me to enjoy not only for today, residual income. Pagdating ng panahon, I'll be able to enjoy to vacation, to be with my loved ones, and continuously tumatakbo yung negosyo ninyo. Di ba? So kumbaga sabi nila, semi-retired ka na pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagtakbo ng negosyo mo. So how would you like to achieve that, no? And that's one of the things that we offer, yung tinatawag nating residual income. Because sabi ho ni Warren Buffett, the third richest man in the world, sabi niya, if what you're doing today doesn't give you passive or residual income, then you'll have to work until you die. And for many people, that's the reality. No? So hindi sila makatigil magtrabaho kasi the moment they stop working, they also stop earning. Now, what an opportunity it is to build on it within your first 5 to 10 years, and then eventually you will have the time and financial freedom that you can enjoy with this business. Okay? And lastly, sabi mo, Rico, hindi naman ako marunong mag-present na ganyan, no? Hindi ko marunong makipag-usap sa mga tao. Well, everything in here can be learned. With our training system from the products, from the business, especially what we have launched just now, yung Launchpad training, we will share with you the step-by-step process on how you can be able to start and grow a global business. So there's already a system in place. So everything can be learned. And you can get started right now. And as you learn, sabi nga, the more you learn, the more you earn. Yun ho yung maganda dito sa ating opportunity. And that being said, I will end this presentation, and I do hope that you have gained something out of this, something that can be of hope to you. And at the end of the day, that's the product that we share with you, Pag-asa, regardless kung ano man yung katayuan mo sa buhay, may pinag-aralan ka man o wala, may natapos ka man o wala, di ba? May matalino ka man o hindi, it doesn't matter. this opportunity is an equal playing field, equal opportunity for everyone to achieve generational wealth. We will all start at the same level, but the opportunities that awaits you, it all will depend on your time, energy, commitment, dedication that you will put into this business. The more effort that you bring, the bigger the income that you will take home. Okay? Yun ho yung maganda dito. Alright? So that being said, I now conclude my presentation. If there's any question here coming from our participants, especially to our guests, please feel free to give your questions or share your questions and we will answer them. Kung wala naman po and you're too shy to ask your questions here, you can always communicate na sa mga partners na nag-invite ho sa inyo. And I believe they will be more than welcome to assist you and help you, particularly answering all those things that are unclear to you. Okay? All right. So anyway, I actually have another call to attend to in a bit, around 8:30. So another training, particularly sa ating qualified trainers call. So that's another thing that you can also venture into. But nonetheless, before I end, I just want to promote sa lahat ng ating mga partners and guests, don't miss yung ating activity on June 12 and June 13. June 12, dadating ho yung ating top income earner. Naku, excited ho ako to share that with you. Yung ating top income earner who has been with us for the past 19 years, 18 to 19 years, building solid business in 130 countries. And right now, he is basically living yung a living testimony of yung tinatawag nating time and financial freedom. And no better way to learn from the one who's done it, who's achieved it, and who has the experience to share with us how can we be successful. Hindi lang dito sa business na to, yung mga principles of success that we can learn from this phenomenal person, our guest all the way from Canada, si LB Foreneliao. So don't miss the opportunity. On June 12, we'll be in San Fernando, Pampanga sa Bliss Hotel starting at 1 o'clock. So make sure that you reserve your seats. Book your tickets now. For our guests, it's totally free, no? So imagine yung inspiration and learning that you can gain from that. And then on June 13, we will be in Rogen Inn in Davao City. So sa mga taga Mindanao dyan, don't miss this event as well. See you dyan sa Rogen Inn in Davao City. Same time, we're gonna start at 1 o'clock. Invite as many people as you can. And of course, yung mga learning na matututunan ho natin dito can be our launching pad, di ba? That would propel us to the next level of our life. Okay? So that being said, I do hope that you enjoyed our time today. And I do hope that you gained something from this. If you have any questions, get back to the person who invited you here. And together, let's make a difference. Together, let's start building a new life with Opulence Global. So that being said, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. That concludes my presentation. May you have an amazing evening, an amazing week ahead of you. God bless po sa inyong lahat as we build a billion. All right. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us.